Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for a deadass disco game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your graphic settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Deadass Disco on your device, and once you complete the basic introduction level, you will gain access to various other levels as well. Now, if you wish to optimize your graphics at any point of time, just press the start button to pause your game. Then from here you can go into settings, and now you will see the video option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose your window mode as well as your graphic quality presets. Now for the VSync option, make sure that it is turned off and only turn it on if you notice screen tears within your game. There is the option to auto set your quality based on the benchmark of your hardware. So you can try using this as well, but most of the times the settings don't perform as well. So you can try using the auto set preset, or you can go into the quality presets menu. Here you have 4 different presets. This ranges from low, medium, high, and epic. If your device supports it, you can try using the epic preset first, and then just go back to your game and see how your settings feel. If you notice some issues, then you can come back here and try using the high preset instead. Then once again see how your settings feel. If your performance is satisfactory, then you don't need to make any more changes. Otherwise, you can come back and try customizing your settings. You may turn off global illumination mode if it is taking too much of your resources, or you can try reducing the illumination quality to medium. The shadow quality can also be reduced to medium, and for the rest you can just use the high preset. There are also the anti-aliasing and upscaling methods available, and you can even lower the 3D resolution. Try using the high or medium anti-aliasing settings. And for the upscaling method, based upon your hardware, you can try using various different modes. And these modes have their presets as well. The frame generation option can also be turned on in order to reduce the load from your hardware by using some AI features. Anti-lag option can also be turned on to reduce your latency. Now at the very end you will also find the frame rate limit, which you should set to the unlimited option. Once you have found your optimal settings, you can just click on the back button to save your changes. And now you can continue to play your game with your customized settings right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Deadass Disco game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.